Hello, I'm Lesley Logan and I have an awesome lunge for you today, or you could also call it fencing. So I've never fenced. I like to think of it as a side lunge, but it's definitely a fencing thing. So you have your hands like this, okay? And your outside foot, the heel is kind of into the arch sort of thing. And then you have to picture someone being at your diagonal, because if you don't, then you'll go all over the place. So I'm gonna picture someone's right there and I'm gonna get them. And then you control yourself coming back. So I reach and then I pull in. And this bottom arm is kind of like reaching under and forward. And this top arm is trying to do a nice stretch off my back. Harder for me than some others. You might find it much easier. So I'm gonna get a little closer to the Cadillac and reach. And that's a little more like it. And reach and slide and reach and slide. So you see you have to work it all together, and then you would turn around and same thing. Reach. And you'll notice which side is better at one thing than another. But it's not one of those exercises you want to be slow and geriatric about. You want to just go for it and then control it back in. You'll get so much good stuff in your outer hips, inner thighs. And then, go do some going upside on your window chair and see how it feels. If you have questions about this in your body or in your practice, please put them in the comments below. I'm Lesley Logan, founder of onlinepilatesclasses.com, and I hope you check out all of our free tutorials and our online weekly mat and reformer classes, plus monthly Cadillac workouts.